Hi guys! Anong ulam natin ngayon?
Chicken!
Chicken! Boneless fried chicken! At saka...
Ito, pakita mo yung
Wow!
rice!
Coke!
pakita mo po.
Coke!
Coke! Oh!
Coke!
Let's eat. Up.
Hindi na crunch.
Bili kayo guys. Sarap.
Ayo host!
Ano ba? Ano na kumain?
Ayo host!
Makain ako ah.
So white!
Sarap nga.
Diba?
Yan ang chicken.
Malambot to. Kung bibili kayo nito, maghanda kayo ng ano,
Baba pa nito.
300 pesos. Tapos bili kayo 5.
Ay! Papa yung gusto?
Kukuha na lang. Okay naman siya sa ano, sa
Tabang yung chicken?
mga nag-aano nag-aano siyang ng ano, health nila. Para sa mga hindi
Hindi ano, mamantika nga.
kumakain ng maalat. Tabang.
Mama ako.
Kung magabang dahil nasasaw mo sa sauce.
And host. You. So white gusto oh.
Tapos doon magkakalasa.
So white. Say.
Oh yeah. I'm at 6 documents. Let's go. Dude, you stole all those from me.
Dahil ano naman.
Masarap na may sauce. Anghang.
Ano
Oh
lang.
my gosh, wait, hold on, Ken. You started off
Yeah,
in the
no.
lead, but I think me and Ruby both have more than you now. Yeah, because you stole mine. I had those.
Sakto lang.
I got those first.
Wala siyang buto.
So we stopped mining diamonds. Great. What? I'm not trying to scare you guys.
Tapos na.
There's another one over here.
Wala dada.
Guys, I think we found a new
Wala
one.
dada
Over
church.
here. What the heck? Where are all these guys coming from? It looks like they're just coming
Nana.
around. Think they're like hiding in the stone? Can these spiders leave us alone? They're messing up our entire mining trip. Phew, there we go. Thank
So,
you. I think we
guys.
got rid of all the-
Wow!
Why is there so many on the ceiling up there?
Hapunan namin.
Ano, masarap ba yung kinain natin? Masarap ba yung ulam natin ngayong
Isa
gabi?
up! Isa up! Isa up!
Gano'n namin. No comment.
Ano, Kalin? Sarap ba buhay mo dyan, Kalin?
Da! Toot!
Satu! Da!
Anong ulam natin? Da! Toot!
Da! Tu!
Ano ba yun? Pang-araw.
Hi, guys!
Hi guys!
This is my sister,
I'm
Kalin Summer.
Summer!
Huwag mo kikis, bawal.
Bao!
Bango kaya yun.
Eh!